Yeah, this collagen, it's so good. I mix from my coffee every day. This makes help for joint, bone, and anti-aging. And also my herbal, my favorite herbal shampoo that was very nice in my hair. Even every day you use. It doesn't matter. Every day we can use because it's this herbal, no chemical. And I bought for my bathroom, tub and tile, no chemical, and very nice. And also save your lungs. And the coffee, for everyday coffee, yes, so good. My favorite coffee, right? And also this one of another collagen, love it. And also this Melagel, it's very nice. I have an hemorrhoid last how many months, just bleeding. When I use this, apply this every time I make move bowel, I put it this from now, how many months until now, no more bleeding. So nice. And also my peak performance was so nice. But next I gonna shop again. But I have in my room. I show you to the next video. Thank you. We miss you. Bye.